Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a door hinge on your double wall oven, fully open the appropriate door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a sturdy surface. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 4 screws securing the inner door frame to the outer door assembly. With the screws removed, lift off the frame. Lift out the window pack from the outer door assembly. Now unthread the 2 screws securing the hinge you're replacing, as well as the middle screw securing the window pack bracket. With the screws removed, slide the old hinge assembly out. Install the new door hinge by inserting it into the outer door frame. Thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Realign the window pack bracket and secure it with the screw. Reposition the window pack in the outer door assembly so the engraved up notations are visible. Reposition the inner door frame on the outer door assembly. Thread and tighten the 4 screws to secure. The short screws secure the bottom of the frame. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.